Welcome, my dear students. So, ninth standard history lesson number 6, empowerment of women and other weaker sections. So, let's start. Women had participated extensively in the freedom struggle. Women have also made important contribution in all fields in the post-independence period too. That is what we will study in this chapter, as also the laws enacted for women and other weaker sections. When we study the condition of women in India, we realize that the roots of several of the problems they face lie in the mentality of men. Even in the 21st century, we have not been able to rid ourselves of this male centered mentality. Vinoba Bhave made use of women power in the Bhudan movement, which we had started placing his faith in Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy. Women volunteers carried the message of Bhudan to all parts of India. Women played a significant role in the Telangana peasants' armed struggle, which challenged the rule of the Nizams and the feudal system. As their region became free from bonded labor, women also found freedoms from this torment. So, next point is manifestation of women power. Manifestation means understanding, facting, and all. Okay, so women who have to face the brunt of scarcity of supplies and rising prices gave a show of their strength as an organized entity in 1972 under the leadership of the socialist leader Mrinal Gore. Women in Mumbai participated in a demonstration which came to be known as the Latne Morcha, means the rolling pin demonstration. Commodities like oil, ghee, rava, maida would become scarce just as Diwali was near at hand. Kerosene had become very expensive. Women came together, brandishing their rolling pins, and took part in the demonstration. This movement met with success, and the public got a glimpse of the united power of women. So, next is the Chipko movement. Another show of constructive women power was seen during the Chipko movement in 1973. Trees from the forest in the foothills of the Himalayas were to be cut down for commercial purposes. Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahuguna had started a movement to prevent this. Women followed the strategy of holding hands and encircling each tree, as their method consisted of protecting the tree by embracing it. The movement came to be known as the Chipko movement. Women took part in it in large numbers. Women had a big role to play in agricultural economy of this region. Gaura Devi was the activist who created this awareness among the women with the help of Sudesha Devi and Bachani Devi.